I think I have the air. I upgraded myself.
Anyways, guys, today I'm construction worker Zeph with my brothers, Elisha boy and Jeremiah. And I've been going from noob to pro because obviously Jeremiah's at 16 and Elisha's at 30 something.
I'm at like first. No, actually, look. Wait, I don't you.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm on stage 38.
I'm the GOAT.
Yeah.
Don't move, man. I'll catch up.
You grinding. Cheated.
Cheating.
I see you grinding.
You cheated. You cheated. Cheater. Cheater. Cheater detected. Cheater. Pumpkin eater. Yeah. I just died. Why do I keep dying? Does it really matter if I'm a square? It doesn't matter if I'm a square, Elisha. That's the point.
Oh, I went to the square place. Oh, I was not a square.
I told you it doesn't really matter if you're a square.
I'm done.
Oh.
Too fast.
I don't like pop-up ads, bro. But I don't have Robux for that. So I love this gun. Gun attitude. He's the slowest thing to die. Who's this ugly person? I'm kidding, he's not that ugly. Yes, he's that ugly, guys. Be quiet.
Yay. About me?
No, even though you are. I'm kidding, bro. What are you talking about? Too fast. I'm heading to Jeremiah's stage. Jeremiah, what stage are you on? Oh, well, I'm past you. Let me just go back.
Just kidding.
What stage are you on then? Cap. What stage are you on?
You're not even world 2 yet. Why not? I'm in the highest.
What stage are you on, Jeremiah?
I'm not in the game yet.
Oh. Well, actually, what stage are you on?
I'm kind of on stage 38.
Stage 38? Bro, stop. Like, I'm being so dead for real. Stop it. You have to stop until we catch up, bro. Before I crash out.
Every single time. Every single thing. No, I like young.
Elisha, you better stop or I'm going to stop playing. And I'm going to play Eat the World with Jeremiah. I will do that. I'm not the nicest person in the world, man. But I'm also not the meanest person in the world, man. I'm telling the truth. Don't believe those guys, man. I'm totally not lying to make this escape lying. Get out. Yes. Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh, that was stupid. Too fast. No, what the? Stumble guys. Where's Stumble guys? Why do you have to share the rest of the Stumble guys?
I'm not sharing the rest of anybody. Oh, it says your friend Jeremiah at 58 has done it.
But Jeremiah left to play Stumble guys.
No, I'm on like a Stumble guys on my computer.
Oh.
Sherlock. Stumble guys on my computer first.
Sherlock Domes. Okay, man, I'll climb, bro. You don't have to be so cruelty. Be a squid. Ow, that hurt. That hurt my bone. I'm waiting for you, man. Well, obviously, Elisha lying when he said he would stop moving, but you're not.
I'm so fucking
Or to stop moving.
It's glitching.
Don't move.
I can't play, guys. I'm sorry.
You can't play.
Also go downstairs, you can't play. I'm good downstairs.
Can you go downstairs?
No.
Oh, you can still be in the video, bro. You just have to go downstairs.
my gosh.
you gotta be downstairs. I'll stay upstairs. You gotta go downstairs, okay? You'll still be in the video, but you'll just be downstairs.
Hey, Carter.
Okay?
How you doing? Ocean's on 40.
Is that good with the hood?
Ocean's on 40. Ding dong.
Is it good with the hood if you guys go downstairs and I stay up here?
Yeah.
Is it good with the hood? Oh, I was going backwards. I'm the most stupidest kid on earth. Things like this don't get no better. Okay. I'm stupid. I'm just the stupidest and dumbest person in the whole entire universe. I was going backwards this entire time. I'm dumb. Things like this don't get no better. Okay, they might do better. Sonic, it's got. Ew! I want a fork. I hate forks. Fork to spoons. I die on the spoons, bro. Bro, what? Bro, what? Bro, what? This is the easiest obby so far. It's not even obby 1. Alright, y'all. I'm heading with my brothers. Ow! I don't like this game anymore. I'm a square. I'm the goat. Boy, what is this? Things like this don't get no better. Okay, they might get better. I want to turn into a slime so I can join Lemmy So Cool, which is essentially my brother Elisha, inside remembrance of Lemmy, his teddy bear that grows more because of my dumb bubblegum sister. Spin the wheel. Ow! Bro, this is gonna be the easiest stuff ever. Chris Oh my gosh. Chris Dubs. Everyday Dubs. You. Fiesta. Ow! Keep it going. Brothers. What does it mean, look up? Oh, that's what it means. Look like, buddy. Hey, boys. Jump! Outstanding. Don't get smashed. Outstanding. You stupid ball. Almost there. Outstanding. I'm not a square. That's not so outstanding. There's an easier way of doing that. Wait, what? No! Don't give up. Maybe I should go on the slide instead of just walking. Whoa! This slide's so fun! Oh, I'm the best. Stupid. Things like this don't get no better. I'm the best. I'm the best. Oh! Oh, close one. There we go. Wee! Woo! Like most famous things I met, it just disappeared. Hey! Oh! Is that a Minecraft slime, bro? You think I'm stupid? You think I don't know what that is, bro? It crushes your bills. I did it. I escaped the Minecraft slime. Whee! Ow! That hurt me. Whoa! Stupid. Bye 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 bye. Baby boy, baby boy. Wee, bro. What? Stupid. I'm the best. Ah! It's another slime attack. Ow! That hurt me a lot. Wait, I can just climb it. I'm so smart. Oh, can't climb these walls. Ah! Hey! No! Yo, what the Sigma? Alright, guys, that's all today. Goodbye.